Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can add a Google account to your device Samsung Galaxy A03s. First of all, open Google Play Store and if sign in is asked, you can understand that there is no email sign in your phone. So now you go to freshly sign in any email ID here. Just click on sign in and it will checking info. Just wait few seconds. And now you can type any email that you want to add here. Here I would like to type my email ID try prince. Yes, then click on next and it will ask password. Then give the password. So I take out of my phone from the display and I type my password. Yes, I typed my password and I click on next. It asks for two-step verification because I have signed in two-step verification in my phone. So I need to confirm it. Yes, I confirmed and I click on agree. Then Google services terms and conditions will be appearing here and just read and click on accept. Yes, email ID is associated with your phone. Now you can download any app from Google Play Store and access all Google products in your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.